morning. Thank you very much for checking out this episode of Gallivant with us.
Today, we'll be gallivanting around the island where we'll go check out Vaiava Beach, Maraa Grotto, the world-famous surf spot Teahupoo, and the 3 Cascades. We're just pulling up to Maraa Beach, I think.
Beautiful beach, all the kids playing. That's Mo'orea over there.
Plage de Vaiava has beautiful lagoons, making it safe for children. Great for family picnics and snorkeling with spectacular views of Mo'orea. We are just pulling up to the Grotto de Maraa. We had heard that this was a hard place to find, but there's actually a road sign telling you before the turn, and then a parking lot right on the side of it, so it's super easy to find now. It is definitely worth the stop. There's a gift shop, public restrooms, as well as convenient parking.
This area of Tahiti is lush and full of tropical fragrant scents of native flora and fauna. Just across the street from a white sand beach, the Maraa Grotto is the largest aquifer system in Tahiti, providing a fresh, clean, and natural resource.
Teahupoo is on the southwest shore of Tahiti. It is said that the meaning of Teahupoo translates to the pile of heads due to the numerous lives lost while surfing this break over generations, also known abroad by the nickname CHOPES.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. Doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown.
We're over here at CHOPES. We just showed up. Came over here to check out the waves and kind of take a peek around. Beautiful day today. We'll be back.
Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Yeah.
Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all.
You wanna catch a wave?
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Got it. Yeah.
The feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
That's what you call. Teahupoo is home to the annual Billabong Pro Tahiti Surf Competition, part of the World Championship Tour. It is known for a heavy, glassy wave, often reaching over 25 feet. coconut tree. Taking it all in.
A quick stop at the convenience store for drinks and snacks.
Our cute little Suzuki. I like this car.
Over here at a little boat harbor slash dock. Just enjoying the scene. It's peaceful. It's lovely out here.
Super quiet. Water is super clear. I see fish every time I look inside the water.
Fish, and we seen a coconut crab crossing the road.
We did.
About to stop and pick him up and eat him. About to go check out some more waterfalls. We just got here. It's a little darker over here. We're in the valley, but it's still broad daylight right now, but we're gonna try to make it happen. We just pulled up to the Three Cascades, or the Faarumai Waterfalls. These picturesque waterfalls are located in a damp rainforest or on the northeast side of the island. Easily accessible by car or bicycle, Vaiava Waterfall is a convenient 5-minute trek from the parking lot. Tennis shoes are recommended but not required. It's a nice gravel trail, but do bring bug repellent or wear long sleeves, as there is a noticeable increase in mosquitoes.
But I was wearing a tank top and the mosquitoes weren't too bad. Unfortunately, 2 of the 3 cascades were closed when we went there, but the one we did see was breathtaking. Thank you very much for gallivanting with us around the island. On the next episode, we will go check out some landmarks around downtown and go to the Vaiava Beach Tahiti 2019. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time!